A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. With these words, we will start our today's work. Now we have to expand this. We are doing 6th sum of exercise 2.5. We have to expand 2x plus 1 cube. And I think in our identity portion, there is the identity of a plus b cube. Then you have to write, we have to expand with using identity. And cubic है using this identity. कौन सी identity? A plus b cube. A plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the expand form of a plus b cube. If this is expand of a plus b cube, then 2x plus 1. 2x is our a, 1 is our b. And we have to find a plus b cube using this identity. Okay, we have to use this. Now use direct identity. This is our a and this is our b. A क्या है? 2x. 2x cube plus 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. 2x cube plus a cube plus b cube plus 3a into b into a plus b. A क्या है? 2x plus 1. Okay? 2x cube क्या होता है? 8x cube plus 1 का cube 1 plus 3 2 6x into 2x plus 1. 8x cube plus 1 plus 6 2 12 x squared plus 6x 1 6x. And all terms are of different form now. Nobody is like term, all are unlike term. So we can't solve this. This is our answer. This is the expand form of 2x plus 1 cube. In the same way, we have to expand our next part. In the same way, we have to expand our this part. 2a minus 3b. 2a minus 3b cube. This is the second part. 2a, this is our a and this is our b. Now this is a minus b cube. So we have the identity of a minus b cube. So use this identity. Using the identity a minus b cube. A minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. And a plus b cube, all terms are for positive, and a minus b cube in this portion, all terms are of negative form. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. You have to use this identity. Now use this identity directly in our sum. You have to write it using this identity. This is our a and this is our b. That means a cube. तो a क्या है? 2a. 2a cube minus b कितना है? 3b. 2a cube minus b cube minus 3a. A means 2a and b means 3b. 3ab into a minus b. 2a minus 3b. This is our identity. Now solve this. 2a cube means 8a cube. 8a cube minus 3 का 3. 27. 27b cube minus 3 to the 6. 6 3 is 18. 18ab into 2a minus 3b. Now solve this. 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 to the 36. 36 a square and b single. Minus minus plus. ठीक है? 18 3 is 54. 54 ab और b. a b square. This is our answer because all terms are of unlike and we can't solve unlike terms. So this is our answer. 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36 a square b plus 54 ab square. Clear? This is the expand form of 2a minus 3b cube. Now our next sum. In the next sum, the statement is 3 by 2x 3 by 2x plus 1 cube. Here in this, a is of rational, a by b form, 3 by 2x plus 1 cube. This is also our a and b. Same as we have to use the same identity, a plus b cube. Using the identity a plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If here is plus sign, then you have to use plus identity. If here is negative sign, then we have to use all terms of except a, all terms of negative. Okay. Now this is our a, this is our b. Now using this identity, 3 by 2x cube plus 1 cube is 1. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. 3 by 2x into 1 into a plus b. 3 by 2x plus 1. This is our solution. Now solve this. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 by 8. X cube plus 1 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2x into 3 by 2x plus 1. 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus. Now we have to multiply this portion because these are two are in bracket form and this is outside common. So we have to multiply 9 by 2 at 3 by 2 and next time 9 by 2 to 1. Firstly 9 by 2 to 3 by 2. 9 3s are 27. 27 by 2 2s are 4. X और x, x clear. ठीक है? And plus, क्योंकि plus plus plus. 9 by 2 1 है, तो 9 by 2 as it is 9 by 2 है. This is our answer because all terms are unlike. We can't add or multiply these terms. So leave yourself here. This is your answer. This is the expand form of 3 by 2x plus 1. And the next part, x minus 3 by 2y cube. This is same as a minus b cube. So you have to use the identity a minus b cube and you can solve this sum very easily. That's it.